Hi everyone, welcome back to iMyFone channel. When you try to sign into your Apple ID, will this error message of verification failed pop up on your screen? Don't worry, because today I will show you 4 effective methods to solve it. And let's begin. Method 1. Adjust date and time. Let's go to Settings, then General, tap on Date and Time. If your time zone is not set automatically, turn it on, and do remember to toggle on the button of 24-hour time as well. Now, try to log in your Apple ID again. Method 2. Repair iOS system with iMyFone Fixppo. If you can't sign into your Apple ID, Fixppo will help you fix this problem without data loss. Let's see how to use it. After downloading Fixppo, launch it and choose Standard Mode. Connect your iPhone to the computer and wait for it to be detected. Now you can see that your device and firmware version are detected. Tap on Download to get the suitable firmware package and wait patiently for Fixppo to download and extract it to your computer. After the download completes, press Start and follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. And Fixppo will begin to fix your iPhone. Remember to keep your device connected during the fixing process. This won't take long, so please wait patiently as well. After that, it will remind you when your device is fixed successfully and reboot your iPhone automatically. Now enter your iPhone and try to log into your Apple ID. Since Fixppo has fixed the problem successfully, you should be able to log in as normal without seeing the error message of verification failed again. Method 3. Hard reboot iPhone. To do so, simply press and release the volume up button and do the same thing to the volume down button. Then keep pressing the side button for 15 seconds or so for the screen to go black. When the Apple logo pops up, release the button and go to sign in your Apple ID when the iPhone is restarted. Method 4. Reset network settings. It's very likely that the error message has something to do with your network. So now go to Settings, tap General, then scroll to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, Reset Network Settings. When it's done, connect to Wi-Fi and try to log into your Apple ID again. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and if this video helps, please drop a little like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.